warn me when you're going to do any of that.
Do you want me to do it again?
Yeah, if you like. That's the beauty of those. I'd be calling for help now to help me empty it. I didn't think you could do that in one of those.
I haven't done it yet, have I?
No.
Because I'm so much heavier than you.
All that caution pays off, Gareth. That's what it is. You can laugh at him now.
I was leading down there then. I did it a big storms, yeah.
I hit some gravel underneath.
It topped me a bit.
You alright, Nige?
You got him?
He's got his paddle and everything, has he? If you had one of those, I reckon you could have a lot of fun in the surf. Well, you have got one of those. Especially in a location like that.
Oh, I see what you mean.
I mean, that... And there was only about... There were a few people in there in the evening. Wow.
Little Canada geese. Like you needed to shit on us.
One of them's in charge. Come on, Nige, you're in the way. This isn't good.
Now we crash there.
Backwards. Blinking off, I got in my way. Are we stopping for a bit?
Yeah, my arse is bloody.
Big one. Big trout. Josh, got a favour to ask you.
What's that, mate?
Any chance you'd run one of us back with you?
I'm sure I could, yeah.
I thought you wanted
Gareth
a
can
tow
get his
for a
car there.
minute.
Say again?
I thought you wanted a tow.
You have to
They
buy
might.
these guys a pint now, mate.
Why, you having a pint in
I can't, no, but you
you've got time for a pint? We'll buy you a drink.
You're so
Oh, we've
slow,
always got
that's
time
the
for
rule,
drink.
isn't it?
No worries, I'll give you a hand to get the boats up as well.
I'm going to be getting off on this side on the left though, that's really
Oh, are you?
Yeah.
They've decided they've had enough as well.
Okay.
Well, Nigel's going to blame me because I had to go in his canoe and broke the seat.
Oh, there you go.
It's brand new, never been in the water before today, so he's going to blame me.